Do you agree that communication is key in relationships, especially in marriage? Can I see a thumbs up? Yes. We all know that marriage is a beautiful union, but let's be honest, it's not always a walk in the park. It takes effort, understanding, and yes, effective communication. And one crucial aspect of communication in marriage is giving feedback. And yes, it is a gift. You cannot read a person's mind. You have to express yourself to be understood. For example, my husband Eins and I constantly fight with each other. And our favorite argument, saan ba tayo kakain ng dinner ngayon? He always asks me, ikaw? And I would reply, alam mo naman kung saan ko gusto, di ba? And we end up eating in a Chinese restaurant when I was thinking of eating in a Japanese restaurant. You really cannot read your spouse's mind, right? Couples are actually needed to consistently give feedback to each other. However, avoid being too critical and meticulous. You might just end up hurting each other. Do it in a loving way. Do it with the right and good intentions and not with pride. And in the same way, avoid being too sensitive and take things objectively. One time, I asked my husband, honey, how do I look? He replied with this, you look fat. Ouch. How did I reply? Well, I said to him, you know, I was hurt what you told me that I was getting fat. Well, I could have attacked him otherwise and have said this. You are such a mean person. You're also fat. And after that incident, I never dared to ask that question again for some time. I also remember one time I went home, brought home a dozen of our favorite Dunkin' Donuts. Not sponsored, for the family. A few hours later, ikaw talaga, ang sama-sama mo talaga. Inubos mo lahat ng isang dosenang donut at isa. In English, you, you are so bad. You ate 1 dozen donuts all by yourself. Realizing how rude I was, being a Toastmaster, I could have used the sandwich approach instead of giving feedback. I could have said this, honey, I know how hard you work for the family. And as a sign of gratitude, I bought you some donuts. And you know what? Those donuts that I bought you, they are meant for us to share. And I feel hurt that you ate all of them. So can I make a suggestion? Recommendation? Something for you to consider? In the future, can you eat some only and leave something for me and the rest of the family? Is that okay? In another instance, I said to Eins, eat some salad. Heinz said, ha? Ano? Ano kasalanan ko? What did I do wrong? He said. Oh no, my husband misheard the word salad, thinking of it as kasalanan or fault. Why? Actually, before that, we had an argument. And before that conversation, we had an argument. And Heinz thought that I was criticizing him. What happened next? Well, We just both laughed at that unexpected answer of Ein's that day. And I therefore conclude that conversations need not always be so serious. There is always time for everything. When the topics are too serious, it doesn't hurt to crack a few jokes, to break the ice or tension, especially in a heated argument. Friends, fellow Toastmasters, how are you communicating with your partners or loved ones? Do you give feedback to improve your relationship or otherwise? Giving feedback in marriage is like tending a delicate garden. It requires patience, nurturing, and occasionally sprinkling of humor. I encourage you to give feedback because it is a gift that is priceless. Back to you, Toastmaster Lynn.